Hello, welcome. Looking for something special today?
Hi, yes, I'm looking for a pair of running shoes.
Great! We have many kinds of running shoes. Men's, women's, different brands and styles. What size do you wear?
I usually wear size 38.
Okay, size 38. Let me check. Do you prefer a bright color or something simple?
I think something simple, maybe white or gray.
Perfect! Here's a pair of white ones. They're light and very comfortable.
Oh, they look nice. What brand are these?
They're from a local brand called Run Fast, very popular with students and gym goers.
Oh, I see. Are they good for jogging every morning?
Absolutely. The soles are soft and they have good grip. You can use them for running or walking.
Nice. How much do they cost?
Regular price is $30, but today I can give you a discount, $27.
That's still a little high. Do you have something cheaper?
Yes, of course. Wait a second. These gray ones are $22.
They look good too. What's the difference between this one and the first pair?
The first one has better cushioning and stronger material. This one is lighter but may wear out faster if you run every day.
Oh, I see. Can I try them both?
Sure, please sit here.
Thank you. This one feels soft.
Yes, that's the Run Fast Comfort Pro. It's designed for long runs.
They're comfortable.
Would you like to try the gray pair too?
Yes, please. Oh, these are lighter.
Yes, they're made from mesh material. Very breathable. Good for summer.
True, but I think they don't have much support.
You're right. The first one is better for serious running.
I think I'll take the first pair. But can you make it $25?
You're good at bargaining. But okay, I'll give you $26 final price.
Okay, deal. 26 is fine.
Great! Would you like socks with them? We have running socks, soft and quick dry.
Oh, really? How much are they?
Only $2 a pair, but if you buy two, I'll give both for $3.5.
I'll take 2 pairs then.
Excellent choice.
Thank you. Do you accept credit card?
Yes, we take credit card.
Perfect. I'll pay by credit card.
Got it. Thank you. Here's your receipt and your bag.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoy your runs.
I will. These shoes feel great.
Come again anytime, and I'll give you a discount next time too.
I'll remember that. Have a good day.
You too, madam. Take care and happy running.